Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on the roof now, don't delay. Put on gloves and eye protection, secure the ladder, and walk the roof slowly to find leaks, soft spots, or old sealant. Once located, remove loose sealant and rust with a scraper. Use solvent to degrease around damage so adhesive will bond. Make sure to note seam gaps and measure width. This helps choose tape or patch size. By prepping correctly, you will prevent rework and ensure new materials adhere for a long-lasting fix. You now move into the main repair. First, prime the clean surface so the adhesive creates a chemical bond rather than just surface stick. Let it tack slightly. If a hole is larger than 1/2 inch, build a backing patch before applying the main patch. For hairline cracks, use high-quality sealant. Once the patch or tape is in place, press firmly and smooth from center to edges to expel air. Make sure overlaps are at least 1 inch. This prevents water migration under the patch. Once the patch is set, you must seal and cure it correctly. Run a 1/8 inch bead of compatible sealant around all edges and feather it outward so water sheds. This prevents capillary leaks. Allow full cure, typically 24 to 72 hours depending on temperature, so the material achieves strength. Avoid exposing the roof to rain during that time. If you see continued leaks after curing, recheck fasteners and seams nearby. Sometimes a missed loose screw.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.